Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you about BGP router reflector. So in this video I want to tell you about this, so how to make the configuration. Okay, for the first we can download the GNS3 for the configuration application and make the topology like in my video. I make for router because in here I wanted to use the for router. And for the first, don't forget to configure the terminal and configuration terminal for enter tab config, and don't forget to turn on the port. For the first, we can in router number 1 we can make the IP 4141.1 because interface fast Ethernet 0/0 that .1 and slice 24. And now shutdown this for turn on the port. And after that, interface loopback, this is LO0, that's the mean like loopback number 0. So we can use the IP 1.1 and slice, I mean like slice 30 maybe, or yeah, I think that, and make the IP for interface loopback 0, and we can switch the router again for the config. Okay, click the router number 1, and we can make the same configuration with the router number 1, but and this is router number 2. The configuration same with the router number 1, but there's different because there is 2 port connect with router number 2. Okay, for the first, we can connect to interface or port when connect to router number 1 and make the IP 41.2 and the slice is 24. Okay guys, we can wait. Don't forget to enter the subnet mask and now shutdown for turn on the port interface loopback again. And for this router, we can use the IP 2.2 because the router number 1 is the IP is like 1.1 and the router number 1 is 2.2. And don't forget to use the subnet mask. Okay, so after this, we can turn on other port when connect to router number 3, and in here fast Ethernet 0/1 get the IP is Chang 12.2, and don't forget to subnet mask is slice 24. It's something like slice subnet mask, yeah, I mean. So no shutdown for turn on the port. Don't forget to always use no shutdown. Exit and we can switch the router. Okay, can change the router for we want to configure again. The configure same with router number 2, but just different IP and IP for port and IP for loopback. Okay guys, okay, we can look the configuration, my configuration. Okay, you can watching my configuration too. Don't forget to always configuration terminal. This is for enter syntax config. I mean like the main syntax, but yeah, tag. Usually you can enter up to you when you want to enter port connect to router number 4 first, or you want to connect router number 2 first. Never mind, that's the mean like when you not wrong for enter the port is never mind. And don't forget to interface loopback and get the IP. This is router number 3 and the IP is 3.3, and don't forget to enter subnet mask. Okay guys, okay, I mean like since I wanted to enter the IP for connect to router number 4. Okay, change to the router number 4. I want to make configuration in router number 4. Okay guys, come on, let's go. Minimize and click the router number 4 for configuration this router. Okay, click enter and configuration terminal again, because if you want to start configuration but you can enable first, or when you have the main like pagar, the stack pagar, that you can enter configure terminal like config, up to you. So this is just enter the port when connect to router number 3. Okay guys, you can wait. Don't forget to no shutdown, because no shutdown is mean like important to turn off, not turn off but turn on the port. Okay guys, like that. And make the IP loopback that 4.4, because this is router number 4 and I think that's not same, but yeah, like that. And in here I want to configuration again for the make IP mean like BGP. The title is like BGP root reflector. So now I want to configure the configuration about BGP. Okay, we can minimize this router and back to the router number 1. Boy, so long. Okay, go back to the router number 1 and we can make the configuration about BGP. For the first, I think it's not BGP but AIEAHRP. Yeah, the mean like that. You can look the configuration in my channel. This is number 10 because I mean like that, up to you. Don't forget to always enter the network. This is router number 1. The network is 41 because port when connect to router number 1 is number 41. and this is in my configuration. I do my mistake, so I'm sorry. This is for network 24, the subnet mask is 0.0. I'm sorry guys for my mistake. I'm just people for do mistake too, never mind. So if you want to remove the IP, you can type no in front of your wrong IP, like that. And okay, so back in the router number 2, make same with the router number 1, but just a little bit IP. Okay guys, so after that we can make the IP same with the router number 1, but in here 2.2 because this is router number 1, and don't forget to use the subnet mask is 0.0. And in the router number 2, don't forget enter the IP when connect to the router number 3, that's 12.12 slice 24, and no auto summary, and don't forget to enter the IP loopback, because is it important to make the BGP router reflector. Okay guys, we can waiting until done. And also don't forget to enter the IP for the port connect to router number 1, and don't forget to enter the IP loopback. Okay guys, we can waiting until this is true. Okay, after that we can make the same configuration for like BGP, for the configuration BGP in the router number 3, but a little different. This is the configuration same with the router number 2. I'm sorry for my mistake. This is we can back to the router number 3 and configuration same with like router number 1 and number 2. I'm sorry guys for my mistake. You can enter, this is same because the group is same. So don't forget again to enter the port when connect to port router number 2 and the router number 4, and don't forget again to enter the IP loopback, and also don't forget to type this tag for that is no auto summary, and we can look. Okay, now auto summary. Okay, minimize, and we can back to the router number 4 and look at again. I mean, there's the word for, don't forget to router EAGRP 10, and don't forget to make a network when connect to a router number 3. And don't forget to enter your interface loopback in this router. Now in this router the network is 4.4 because this is router number 4, so I make IP is 4.4 for the same with the number is router, so don't forget to no auto summary. So after that we can back to the router number 1 for the configure router BGP. Okay, this is right, so enter the router number 1 and we can make the configuration for router BGP. In here, this is important to our, don't forget, can write is router BGP 12. It's up to you, but in here I want to use BGP 12. And don't forget to enter the NIC board and remote as for the, we can remote the beside device or other device in where. Don't forget to enter it and update search loopback. So because this is the name is router reflector, don't forget to enter the NIC board and for the router reflection client. Okay guys, because the name is like BGP router reflector. And after that we can make the same configuration in the other router. This is same because the configuration same. Okay, and in this router number 1, don't forget to enter other loopback and or like NIC board, so the IP loopback, because we want to connect the all of for the router. And so after that don't forget to enter the same configuration with the other loopback or like the main like neighbor, and we can change the router number 2 switch. Switch to the router number 2 and enter the router BGP12 again, because this is same circles or like mean shape at one circle, yeah, I mean like one circle, and remote as for 12 because the VSAT U is remote as 12 and the BGP is same. Okay guys, so after that we can make the same configuration in the router number 3. Because the functional is same, we can make the IP is same with the other configuration, but there is a little bit different. And don't forget, this is I do a mistake, I'm sorry, because the main like not network but neighbor. I'm sorry guys. And after that we can the router number 4 for the make same configuration with the other router. And you can waiting until the IP is make a result. Okay guys, so in the router number 2, I do one mistake again. This is now without router reflector client. I'm sorry. Back to the router number 1, and I want to check this is like that. I wanted to check ping for the other router. I do my mistake, so I'm sorry. Okay, look, this is true, or this is the configuration. And for the loopback for number 4 is wrong because there is configuration is haven't to finish. I have to make it again, so I'm sorry. Okay, I wanted to do it again, but no, for configuration from the start we can make it again. .44 and the subnet is same with the other interface loopback. And yeah, after this I want to try okay, the IP is true, and I want to try for the connect to the other router. Okay, the IP is true, and that's enough for this configuration, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.